This food is the most survival food in Ghana. And this food, trust me, has saved so many boys and girls in the community.
Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cookie with Sindaco and I'm back again. But before we start, today is your first time watching, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, notification bell so you'll be notified when the video drops. And if you're part of the family already, I'll say thank you for the support. I appreciate it. Today we are cooking one of the simplest food and delicious food in Ghana. This food, man, has done what Napoleon couldn't do. In fact, this food is a national asset to the country of Ghana. From down memories, this food has proven itself right and has saved and is still saving millions of people in Ghana. And one lovely thing about this food is that it's very affordable. Anyone can buy. The name of this food is locally known as GOB3 or Yeko Gari. You can also call it Gari and beans, yeah? It's mostly the food for the street hustlers, and these hustlers respect this food. At the mention of this food, every lips shall say that go back to the world. Orokodo. So I hope you like this video. Kindly share, subscribe. Let's do this. Orokodo 1. Since this recipe is very simple, we got this simple ingredient for the market. We have beans, we have pepper, we have fresh tomatoes, we have onion, we have gari and ripe plantain. So for the gari, if you want to know how gari is done, I've done a video. The link will be in the description box. Check it out and I'll have a look at it. And also, there's a process beans go through after harvesting. So it's most of the times comes with stones and spot beans in them. So when you buy them, you have to make sure that you select all these stones and spot beans from them before you use them. But remember to wash them nicely. It can be twice or thrice. So after washing, you pour them into a bowl, you add water and you add onion to help it cook fast. Please don't and never add salt to your beans. It will never cook if you add salt to your beans.
How do you call this in your language? Ojukbo. Ojoko. The ripe plantain.
Whether red or green.
The same thing. The plantain is Ojoko. Yeah. Okay. Which part of Nigeria are you from?
Anambra State.
Anambra.
Yeah, Anambra State.
Anambra.
Yeah, Anambra.
This is Nigeria style.
So after peeling the plantain and chopping them to the sizes that we want, we put them inside water, then we add salt to it. Then we set it aside for the salt to marinate with the plantain. So there's one key ingredient which I forgot to mention earlier, which is red oil or palm oil. Yeah, so this palm oil, we make sauce with it palm oil. So doing that, we just grind our pepper and some tomatoes to it. You can also choose to ignore the tomatoes and the pepper and just slice in your onion. They are good to go, okay? You can make it very simple and very local, you know? Now it's time to fry the plantain. So oil will be added to the frying pan, then we add in the plantain. So normally frying ripe plantain doesn't take that much time because it's soft already. So depending on the temperature of your fire, this like 7-10 minutes, it should be okay.
So now our plantain is okay.
So after 20-25 minutes, the beans is now okay. You can verify that by taking some of it and squeezing them. If they mash up, that means the beans is okay. And also it's now safe to add salt to your beans because now ready, it's cooked already, so there's no problem adding salt to it at this moment. Yeah, so after adding the salt to the beans, now the beans is okay. You just leave it like that and set it aside. Yeah, so now making our sauce, we add our red oil inside the pot, make it heat a bit. Then we add in our onion and also the grinded ingredient. They will also come inside. And just like 5 minutes, everything is okay. You're good to go. Yeah, that's the gobe for you. Oh, mommy, if you're not such a warrior. Oh, giant quo. Oh, mommy, if you're not such a warrior. Make a fool. Oh, giant quo.
Yeah, so we're done with our beans and the gari. This food is the most survival food in Ghana. This food, anyway. So as you saw the steps and the procedure, a very simple thing in a local way. And this food, trust me, has saved so many boys and girls in the community. Hey, we'll put it up a day. Anyway, testing officer, let me taste and give you the final random of everything. Yeah. So the avocado around is optional. Yeah, you can choose to add that one or not. And also this is optional, but you can't have complete gobe without having the plantain. The palm oil has a bit of tomatoes and onion in it just to make that garnishing or to give that taste. Yeah, so basically this is typical local food, gari beans or gobe. Yeah. Okay. So that was our food. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Look at with Sindaco. Yeah? For Shazam and Nizzle. I'm out. One.
Sewa mi anko ne